Welcome to the January 2025 Hero Studio Fancy Dies of the Month called Floral Envelope. Let's take a look at this month's product. Here's a closer look at the Floral Envelope Fancy Die set. This set has 17 dies featuring an adorable envelope, the words Sending, Smiles, and Love, 3 foliage sprays, 5 floral blooms, 3 stems, and 2 leaves. The envelope die measures approximately 2 3/8 inch wide by 2 7/8 inch tall, making it the perfect focal point for your cards and other paper crafts. Let's create a simple yet elegant card using the Floral Envelope Fancy Die set. You'll want to start by cutting your envelope, the sending, and smiles from white cardstock, and then cut your florals in a variety of pink cardstock. I have ultra pink, azalea, and peony. You'll want to cut your greenery and leaves from green cardstock. I'm using meadow and palm. Now we can assemble our florals. This piece here you could leave in green, or you could cut another piece from a different color and then trim off the floral parts and glue those on top of the existing green florals. The blooms can be matched to any of the stems. Start by adding a little bit of glue to the top of the stem and then picking up the bloom that you want to use and glue it to the top of the stem. The floral blooms can also be layered on top of each other to create more dimension. I'll add this smaller one on top of the larger one. The largest floral bloom does have these areas that cut out from the die. If you want this to be a solid colored floral, simply take another piece of cardstock and then trim around it and glue it to the back of the floral bloom. Once you're finished layering your bloom, add some glue to your stem and then place your bloom how you would like it to be on top of the stem. You can add additional leaves to any of the stems by using the 2 leaf die cuts. These look nice offset on the stem, so add one towards the bottom and add one towards the top. The envelope die will create a spot where the envelope opens, and you could easily add your florals to the inside of the envelope. Arrange your florals how you would like them to be inside of your envelope. Once you're happy with the arrangement, turn your envelope over upside down and add a piece of low-tack tape across the back to hold your stems in place. Then you can trim off any excess tape as well as any excess stems that may be peeking out from the bottom of your envelope. Now we can assemble our card. I have an A2 sized card base that's 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches and a piece of plum cardstock that is cut to 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. I'll add glue to the back of my plum cardstock. Now I can glue this to the center of the card base so that there is a 1/4 inch border going all the way around the card. For added dimension, put foam tape on the back of your envelope and place it towards the top center of your card base. To add dimension to your sentiment words, add glue to the back of them and layer up additional die cuts on the top. Once you've finished layering your sentiments, add glue to the back and glue them to the center bottom portion of the card. For an extra touch, add some of the pink enamel dots from the Birthday Hues Enamel Dots pack. And that's it. Our card is now complete using the Floral Envelope Fancy Die set. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.